Welcome back everyone, it's Aric from Rare Candy, and today we have kind of a different video schedule than what we normally would do on the channel. You know, you've probably heard me mention it in some of my recent videos or maybe across the Rare Candy social media, but I have been in the process of moving, as you can probably tell by my barren sort of office space and some of the random tools and stuff that are in the shot of my camera. Yeah, I'm still in the process of getting settled in, getting my office decorated and some of the other things in my house. And that's been, you know, kind of interrupting my upload schedule a little bit. But today, in order to get another video up for this week and maybe give you guys a little bit of behind the scenes content, I'm actually going to take you through the process of wrapping my back wall here. You guys probably saw the Rare Candy branded back wall I had in, you know, my videos for the past year or so now, and you know, I'm gonna redo this wall with that same sort of look. So I'm gonna take you through that process today. It's just gonna be a little time-lapse video, just show you kind of some behind the scenes stuff of how my office is coming along. Thanks so much for the patience while I have been in the process of changing houses and getting everything set up. I really do appreciate all the support from you guys. And also too guys, if you do like these sort of behind the scenes videos, I don't do a whole lot of them usually outside of on Patreon, but if you want to see more of this type of stuff, definitely feel free to smack that like button. That lets me know you guys like this stuff, and also it does help us beat my arch nemesis, the YouTube algorithm. And or comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd definitely love to hear your thoughts on these types of videos. But let's hop in the time lapse and we'll get to decorating my office a little bit.